Alright guys, welcome back to Hillbillies. We're getting started on a new project today. Got one of the guys in the area is building a 78 Trans Am, second gen car. The put a 6-liter LS motor in it, 4L60E transmission, so he's got all of his drive drain done, and we're going to be taking care of fixing the rust and getting a little color on it for him. So show you around the car a little bit. The car is apart where he'd been working on it. He's put POR 15 on the floorboards and stuff and around the windshield to protect that stuff and stop some of the rust. And so we're going to take care of the rest of the rust and get a little color on it. Alright, so here we go guys. Here's the 78 Trans Am. Like I said, he's got quite a bit of it took apart where he's been putting his motor in. Not going to show you the motor right now. I'm sure at some point we'll get to see it. But it's just the hood's just laying up there. I don't want to have to fight the hood. And so some things we have to do. You can see right here, it looks like maybe the wheels come off the car at some point. So we've got a pretty big dent right there in that quarter. We talked about putting a quarter on it, but we're going to try to save this one. Because I mean it's got a little pretty good dent there, but we can take our stud puller, weld some studs on it, pull most of that out, work it out. I think that part of it's going to come out just fine. Get up here around the back glass. You can see we got quite a bit of rust in here. This is getting pretty thin. Most of the inner structure is in really good shape. So I've actually been working on a piece. I've got this piece fabbed up. It's going to go in here. So kind of take all that rust out. I just got to finish fitting it. If you look down here, so we got a pretty good fit on everything. So we just have to take and cut it out, get it fitted in, finish welding up there. The roof has a lot of rust in it. Plus we got good sized dent up here. So we're just going to put a roof skin on it. It'll go in right in this area. Right here is the seam. So it'll go in probably right through here and across, take care of all that, take care of the dent and some of the issues that we have going up front. So, moving on around. Alright, he has found a good use fender for the driver's side. It does have a little issue on it. Let's get down here, see if we can get you a view of that. It's got a pretty good little hole punched in it right there. But we can fix that, not a big deal. The hood's pretty good shape. Just got some surface rust. It does have one little crack in there. Here, there you go. There's your little peek of the engine. Moving on around to the back of the car. The back is all pretty good shape. Not much to do back here, I don't think, other than clean it up, get a little paint on it. Now, passenger side quarter, this is a big reason we're putting a quarter on this side. It was just too far gone to try to save. This is all rusted out. A lot of the inner structure is gone. We do have pieces from a donor car that we're going to put in here along this back side to clean all of that up. Plus, we get around here, we got a bunch of rust down there just above the rockers. So that whole quarter's going in. Again, the roof, it's getting a new roof skin, but there's what the roof looks like on this side. Got what appears to be the original fender for the passenger side. It's good shape. A few little places to fix on it. A couple of holes to weld up. So not a lot to do there. So Over here, this is the big box is our new quarter. A lot of our other parts, we do have doors for it. They're just put away right now. They're in really good shape, looks like. I don't think we'll have much to do to those. So. Alright guys, there you go. There's the walk around on the Trans Am we're fixing to start on. It's going to be a fun project. Get to do a roof skin, a quarter, some other